Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today we're going to weed whack around some of the wood, and we're going to edge the flower bed, so to speak. I'm trying to make up a flower bed and slash garden in the front of different flowers and stuff. So it's a little out of control until I finish splitting the wood and getting it stacked and out of here. But you'll see that on later videos, etc. So I'm using my the harness, which I absolutely love. I'm using the STIHL KM56RC. See if I can get that on the GoPro. And I'm using the extension so that it's life's a lot easier. And I also have my headphones, got some music going, and my gloves. But all right, here we go. Alright guys, we're gonna quickly change the tip out for the edger. So super easy. I'm sure you've seen in my other videos. Wing nut, pull out the attachment. I cover it up with the rubber cover. The last thing you want to do is get dirt and stuff in there. Super easy. Put the tooth in there, lines it up, make sure it's in all the way, and that's it. Alright guys, as you can see, weed whacked it all, cleaned it up, I edged it. Got to get a whole nother load of mulch. That's what I'm working on next. So let me reposition some cameras. We're going to do the other side and get that situated as well, okay? Give me a second. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to do the other side and edge as well. So here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna swap out for the edger. And yeah, guys, as you see, I got to pull the weeds and stuff on this side. I just want to try to start the process. There's some little trees growing in here. I really got to go through it. We'll get to it. All right, guys, just trying to get this all situated. There's a lot of work to be done in this flower bed area. We got to pull a lot, but I want to start edging it, starting so that it creates an edge, a separation from the grass to the mulch. So this is the first time of many that we're going to be doing this. But all right, let me reposition. I'm going to get over to doing some more stuff. You'll check that out in a minute. Let me just reposition the cameras. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna edge the walk here. I really gotta pull the walk up and redo it, which is on the list. But for what I have here, I just want to clean it up, make it nice and neat. Plus, I gotta take the leaf blower and clean the grass clippings off of it. It's so hot out. As soon as we're doing it, you can see the stuff is just drying right up. I mean, it's got to be 100 degrees out. It's pretty humid out, but all right, here we go. So here we are, we're changing out the attachments again. Alright guys, we're back with the backpack blower, the BR600. It's the best backpack blower. It's kind of a little more commercial grade, but it's amazing for homeowner use. Let's do the standard 5 buttons, turn the choke on. So as you can see guys, it does a really good job edging it. I really got to clean up the walk and stuff, but overall it does a great job. But all right, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow. It's free to subscribe, and I'll keep bringing more videos to you. All right guys, till next time, don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. See you guys.